Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see two updates. The first one is from IBM. It is an internship update and any graduate is eligible for applying for this internship. And the second one is from HP, that is the post of system engineer. So we are going to see about these two recruitment updates in today's video. The first one that we are going to see is from IBM. So we'll be seeing all details like eligibility criteria, selection process, everything we are going to see in detail. If you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first one, which is intern recruitment, or it is an internship update. It is from IBM. Let us see the eligibility criteria. So here the requirement is a bachelor degree. They have not specified any specific branches or any specific degree they have specified. That is, they have not specified. And also the location is Bangalore, Karnataka is a location. And it is a full-time employment. So after you complete this internship, you'll be absorbed into the company. That is the case. Okay. So this is an intern update. And the roles and responsibilities they have given is you will be a part of the squad which will be co-located in Bangalore location. So you will be collaborating with the team members, then analysis, programming, testing of code, working on the live projects. That is the roles and responsibilities. So basically you'll be doing an intern job. You'll be associated with various teams. You'll be doing that is testing, programming, and you'll be working on the live projects. That is the case. Okay. Now also they have given some requirements. Required technical and professional expertise. You should be having proven programming skills and analytical ability, problem solving skills, communication skills. So these are the main things they have asked for. They have not asked for any specific skill like any language requirement or anything. They have not specified as such. So all graduates are eligible to apply for this post. Now talking about the selection process, you'll be consisting of the selection will be consisting of 3 stages. The first stage will be aptitude test. So they are looking for persons with strong analytical ability. So the first stage will be consisting of aptitude, reasoning, analytical ability, all those areas, and then there will be technical round. Then there will be HR round. That is going to be the selection process. Here, this internship update, that is this intern post will be given 25,000 plus stipend or salary. And after that, you will be absorbed into a software engineer's post or a new associate post. And then there will be, then afterwards, you'll be getting a decent package. Okay. Anyway, you can expect 25,000 plus if you are joining as an intern for the internship period. Okay. So that's all about the IBM recruitment. Next, we are going to see the recruitment update from HP. So if you are interested in working with HP, let us have a look on the update. So here, the post is system engineer. Hyderabad, Telangana is a location. The IBM's case was, the location was Bangalore. Here it is Hyderabad. Let us first have a look on the eligibility criteria. Okay, so here they have given the skills and knowledge. So must be trained in service manager. This include administration, data loading, health checks. Then means health checks means the quality analysis, all those areas. Okay, so must be conversant with incident, service desk, change and problem modules, and integrating service manager with various other service desk tools. Okay, service desk tools, service desk management, that is the area. Okay. Also, you should be able to work in 24/7 environment. Then SQL they are asking for. Also, they are looking for persons with knowledge in Linux commands like shell scripting, etc. Okay, so that is the main requirement. Here, they have not asked for any specific experience or anything. Also, they have not specified any degree. So, any graduate can apply here also. Okay, so you should be having these qualifications. Mainly, if you are from the computer science background or IT background, or in electronics or electrical related background, then it will be suitable for you. Other candidates can also try if you are having these area of knowledge. Okay, some persons, even though they are belonging from some other degree background, they will be having interest in these areas, right? Linux command or SQL, this related area, they have interest. In that case also you can apply. Okay, so here the post name is system engineer and these are the requirements they have specified. So that is the second update. Here also you can expect 3 levels of selection. The first stage will be aptitude, then there will be technical rounds. Then finally, there will be HR. That is going to be the selection process. Here, you can expect a salary above 30,000 because directly here, you have been selected to the system engineer post. The first one was an intern update. Here, it is directly to the system engineer post. So, you can expect a salary above 30,000. Okay, so that is the case for system engineer. Here, even though both the recruitment updates are, that it's the first one is for Bangalore location and the second one is for Hyderabad location, even though mostly it will be work from home because of this COVID situation. Okay, so that will be the case for the location. So if you are interested, you can definitely try for these two updates. So I am trying to bring up maximum recruitment updates as possible. So if you are finding these videos useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share the video with your friends. And if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.